Hi everyone, this is Steve Johnson. Google Classroom has made some changes recently that are a little confusing. At least it confused me the first time I saw them. And so I wanted to make a quick video to show the differences and to show one thing in particular about the new About page. So when you're in your Google Classroom, and I've got a ton of classes here from PBBU, but I'm going to choose this class that I have right here for demo purposes. You can see that at the top, the About tab is no longer there. Also, there used to be a Classmates, I think it was entitled Classmates tab, but now it's just People. So now there's two of these at the top. There's Stream and there's People. Stream is the default. You can see that you can access things from your Class Drive folder, Classroom Calendar, Google Calendar. You can create your events or assignments, announcements into the stream still. If you hover over the plus sign, you now have, or you still have, create announcements, create assignment, create a question, or reuse a post. You can see that I have 3 posts saved right here. If I click here, I can see what those are, all 3 of them that I've used for training purposes. Here's the thing that's really important though. About is now gone, and it is now here. And when you click on About, you don't see any resources. Like, you can't put resources in the About section of your Google Classroom anymore. All it has right now is this class code, where when I click on this, I can show it, or I can show it really big by clicking on this icon right here to my class so they can join. So how do you add items to the About section now? Well, you have to go up to this gear in the upper right-hand corner, click on that, and then you can add class materials. So I can give this a title, and I'll just say, practice, because that's what we're doing right now. I can give it a class description, where it's a class meet, and all that stuff. I'll click Save. And then down here, you've got a general section where you can now display, copy, reset, or disable the class code. This is where you will put the what you want for students to do in the stream. Do you want them to post and comment? Can students only comment, or can only the teacher post and comment? A good thing to know. And then some other items you can toggle on and off, like Guardian summaries. I would toggle that on so that students or parents of your students can get updates as to what's happening in Google Classroom. And then if you want to add class materials, just click there, and then I'll just add a material right now just for an example. Let's say I want to go ahead and add this file right here, and I can give it a title right here, and now I'm going to click Post. And so now this file is in my Google Class, and when I click on the About, there it is. So that is how you add items to the About tab in Google Classroom now that it's changed. Please let us know if you have any questions.